Hey guys, Ryan here from Taubik e-bikes. If you're looking for the perfect camping companion, I've got the bike for you. This is the 2026 Monaco S, and we're gonna do a little comparison video for the features that we've changed, updated, all the specs that we like from 2025 to 2026. So right off the bat, you'll notice that we've introduced different colors and color types. So this is in a matte finish, I guess different color finishes. This is a matte finish versus a gloss. So now we have gloss and matte available. The biggest difference you're gonna notice right away is up front here with the tires. This is a street tire, cornered edges, whereas this is an all-terrain tire with rounded edges. This gives you more comfort and it gives you more confidence to go off that trail. So if you're in a campground and you wanna get off the path and go on some grass, some gravel, some dirt, you now have the confidence to do so. I'm gonna go and talk about this a lot as I do in every video because it's very, very important. The cadence torque sensor, again, right at the LCD, you can change that depending on how you feel that day, your riding style, and the application of the bike for that day. If you want someone that is gonna borrow your bike and they're used to a torque sensor for their e-bike at home, you can switch it into torque. They're used to cadence, you can switch it to cadence. Another little change, but again, we like aesthetically pleasing things here at Taubik. We like them to look good, feel good. So we've now branded our favorite backrest seat. We know that a lot of people love this seat, so now can look good too. Another change, the chain ring. We've gone from plastic. We are now using steel chain rings, again, to offer that strength and durability, long lasting. The geometry, you'll notice right away, is slightly different. On the 2025, you had the stem coming inwards. The 2026, it now goes up straight, so it has you in a relaxed position. It keeps your back upright, less weight on the palms. If you want to go for that long distance ride, you can, and you can be comfortable doing it. On the 2025, again, we had a 60 lux light. We now have upgraded to an 80 lux so that you can be seen at night and you can see at night. The front suspension still has lockout and preload, same as you'll see in the 2026 as the 2025. Another important feature on all of our 2026 bikes is they now have hibernation mode built into the battery. So if there is no activity for 7 days, that means no charge or discharge. So you haven't charged the battery and you haven't turned the bike on, it will automatically go into a hibernation state, and your battery, as long as it's not in a cold room or an extremely hot room, it can be stored for 6 months with no problems. You don't have to worry about coming back to a drained battery. If you want to manually put it in hibernation mode, you just hold the LED indicator button on the battery for 7 seconds. So that's everything that's changed on the Monaco, the now renamed Monaco S. So come down to Ride the Wind and have a look for yourself.